welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Emma and this is Emma's Cottage. In this video, it's gonna be short and sweet. I just got something in the mail that I'm so excited about, and so excited that I can't wait to open it. So I'm gonna hurry and just do a video all by itself. I promise I'll still bring you another video this weekend. I've got something fun in place where I ordered some lights, and we're gonna try testing bleaching in the garage versus outside for those of us that live in areas that have, some yucky weather in the winter months. So stay tuned for a tutorial that's coming hopefully this weekend. But in today's video, we're gonna open this box together. I did announce on the YouTube channel and I did announce in our Facebook group that my craft source has invited me to become an influencer, and I'm so excited. I've been ordering from my craft source for a few months now. That's actually where I got my heat press. Love it. And I was kind of secretly hoping that they would reach out to me and ask me to join their team. So I'm so excited that they did, and just flattered and honored that they did. So thank you so much to my craft source for sending me a little box today to kind of show off, and little things that we can try in upcoming videos. So let's see what they sent me. Which, by the way, with my affiliate program, what does that mean for you? So for my followers, they're giving you guys a 5% discount if you use the code Emma's Cottage. So anytime that you're on my craft source and you're looking to go order, make sure that you use that code Emma's Cottage to get 5% off. And then of course, anytime there's an upcoming special, I'm usually going to be one of the first to know, and I get to give you guys a heads up so that you too will be the first to know and be able to log on to their site so that you can make sure that you can take advantage of some of their awesome specials. I know that they've had some really great ones going on, like today's, I think it was called Freaky Friday or Spooky Friday or something, and they were doing, I think it was 20% off 5-foot rolls of HTV, which is awesome. So things like that, I will make sure that I bring to our Facebook group. So if you're not a member yet, make sure you go check us out. It's Emma's Cottage DIY, do it yourself. Yes, I always say that backwards, on Facebook. But I also try and do updates on YouTube as well in the community forum. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, just to speed it up a little bit, I went ahead and pulled everything out of the box, and I'll just show you piece by piece. Now keep in mind, everything that you guys see here today is available on mycraftsource.com, and don't forget to use our code to get your 5% off, which is Emma's Cottage. So the first thing they sent me, which I didn't realize they even sold these on their website, is a clear stadium tote. Look at that. I have so many ideas already on how I'm gonna decorate that. Isn't that cool? So cute. The next thing that they sent me was a 30-piece sublimation puzzle. So that will be fun to be able to sublimate something on there. They do sell heat transfer tape, so they sent me one of those to try out. And then sublimation car coasters. They come in a package of 2, and they're like the little like neoprene, like the foamy, like neoprene. So you would sublimate on those. So fun. They sent me 2 of the can coolers. So this is the one that you can sublimate on yourself that they sell. And the prices are really good compared to other places, other sublimation blank places that I've been able to find. Their prices are very fair. So this one you can sublimate on yourself. And then this one's more of like the tall, skinny kind for those Trulias or whatever you're drinking. And they sell them printed as well. So that if you didn't want to sublimate or don't have a sublimation printer, you can definitely buy them already printed on. And then what you could do on something like this is maybe do HTV and press HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl, with maybe a name on it. Isn't that cute? I think this one's called like the Arizona Desert. So cute. The next thing they sent me was an ornament. So this is just a cute Christmas ceramic ornament. Isn't that adorable? Very cute. I'm holding a hole. That's what it would look like. It's just circular. That's going to be fun, getting ready for the holidays. A black Exato knife. Then they've got, I think this is the red My Craft Source weeding knife. It's like a little weeding tool. Just a teeny tiny, when you're going to weed all those teeny tiny details. There you go. Okay. And then I really needed one of these, so I'm really excited about this. This is a squeegee that they sell at my craft source. The nice thing about it is you're gonna have a felt end so that you're not scratching some of your vinyls. And then this one I'm really excited about, a cute mama bear and her two baby bears acrylic blanks. So they're not blue, they're gonna be the color of acrylic. You would just peel this off. Let me show you here. When you actually go to use them, you just peel this backing off like that. So they look like they're blue, but they're not blue. It's just the color of the protectant that's on them. And then a cute glitter, which I need to dip into glitters more. I haven't really tried glitters yet. This one I just love the name, Mermaid Snot. And honestly, if mermaids had snot, then I definitely think that would be the color it would be. And then this one's called Wayfinder. Really cute little star glitters. Hope you can see that. They just have cute little stars in there. Adorable, huh? Okay. And then they also sent this, which I had to look this one up because I have not tried this before, and this looks so fun. I cannot wait to do a tutorial on this. So this is called the StarCraft. It's the Electra Foil Oil Slick. So basically what it is, it's you have to use this alongside of a heat transfer adhesive, and you would cut the adhesive out in the shape that you need it. And then you would apply that to your substrate, or to your blank. So if you're gonna do a shirt, you'd apply it to your shirt. And then you get this and you lay this on top of it, you're gonna press it again, and then this will stick to the heat transfer adhesive that you already applied to the shirt. So, and it's just like a really bright, vibrant, metallic, shiny looking, it's really hard to see in the camera, I think, but it almost looks like, what was the name of this again? The oil, like it looks like oil in water. It's kind of cool looking. I'm really excited to try that. Okay, so let's put some of this to the side, and I want to show you the vinyls they sent. And I'll list off the names. So I know sometimes when you're on a website and you're trying to pick and decide what color and stuff, it's really hard to see if it's not like in real life. And so hopefully my camera can pick up the colors well enough that you can see what we have here. So I was really excited about a lot of the stuff that was in here. The first one is faux leather. How stinking adorable is this? Sorry, I need to move things around. I'm like falling around. Still remodeling my office. As you guys can see, we've started painting, but we're still remodeling. So there is the faux leather, and this is called Holiday Serape. I don't know if that's how you say it. Serape. I don't know. Isn't that cute though? Adorable. Those would make some really cute earrings. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep these in the same order so that I don't mess it up. This is just heat transfer adhesive. Ooh, perfect. So this is what we were just talking about. This is what I would cut with my Cricut, or solo when I get it. So excited. This is what you would cut the shapes out of that you want on your shirt. And then that's when you would get your foils. And then you put the foils on this, and it's just gonna be shimmery and really cool looking. So again, if you look forward to a tutorial on that, let me know. I'm excited to try this. Okay, the next one is the brushed nickel copper. This is the StarCraft. So these are all going to be like your adhesives, your adhesive vinyls. This one is going to be the Mystique Red. Isn't that pretty? That is really cool looking. This one is going to be the Hoax Holo Rose Gold. That is really pretty. Like, it just looks so shimmery and glittery. It's beautiful. This next one's gonna be Spectrum Silver. Just like it sounds, it looks, right? Isn't that cool? And then this one's Illusion Gunmetal. Definitely an illusion. Kind of cool looking, huh? Then we've got the Deceit Glitter Purple. Very glittery and beautiful. Okay, then we've got the StarCraft Metal Chrome Wine. So it's like a pink, really pretty. Okay, and then you've got your StarCraft HD. This is going to be your gloss black, and then they also sent it to me in matte, which is a matte coral. Cool. You can see the difference between the glossy look and then of course the matte look. So the one thing with StarCraft is they have a line of matte and they have a line of gloss, and they've got the same colors. You just kind of have to pick and choose what your preference is. All right, this is going to be a Siser Easyweed Pretty Periwinkle, which it absolutely is very pretty periwinkle. And then we've got, I lost my spot, Blue Jean. So this is a Siser Sparkle. That is going to be a really pretty, oh yeah, that HTV is awesome. I like that a lot. Avery Spectra Red. So I believe this one is an adhesive vinyl. And then we've got the Siser Glitter Black, just like it sounds. And then we have the StarCraft SoftFlex Light Gold, which I have tried a few SoftFlexes and I like them. They're pretty cool. Cool there. This one I'm actually really excited about. I've never tried it. So this is called the Tape Tech Cold Blue Film. And what it is it will go on your substrate white, like if you were to put this on a mug or something, and if the mug gets cold, then this is going to turn blue. So that's kind of cool, right? So I believe it's just like an adhesive vinyl that changes color. So if I'm wrong, tell me in the comments below, but I'm pretty sure that's what it does. All right, then we've got the, where is it? This is the Tape Tech Ultra Glitter Seafoam. Hard to see the glitter on that. Oh, there it is. Isn't that a pretty glitter? And it's like a seafoam color. And then we've got the Tape Tech Metalized Matte Rainbow. Definitely has like a rainbow look in there. And then this is the Opal Green. That's really cool, huh? I really like that. Kind of cool. And that's the Tape Tech as well. Which, to be honest, I hadn't heard of Tape Tech before now. Okay, so this next part I'm really excited about because I haven't tried these yet and I have wanted to. So this is a printed pattern HTV. And this is the number 30 pattern trees. How adorable is that going to be for the holidays? To be able to put something on a really cute sweater or something, or even like a pillow, something fun. I'm excited to try that. This next one is a printed pattern adhesive. So this is just an adhesive vinyl, and this is going to be a snow leopard. So if you're interested in this one's number is 104 snow leopard. That's kind of cute, huh? When I say kind of, like, it's very cute. That would be really cute when I'm out. Where am I? Right there. Oh, Siser Glow in the Dark, which I have used this before on my skeleton here, my skeleton peekaboo shirt. I do love the glow in the dark. This is the Siser Electric Cherry. How cool is that color? Like, that is such a cool color. And one thing to point out, like on some of these that you get, this would be the side that you're gonna cut on, I believe, because this would be the shiny side that would be face down. So I have not used this before, so it'll be a learning opportunity for me, but I believe that's how you would do it. This next one is going to be the Twinkle Rainbow. Definitely a twinkly rainbow. Isn't that cool? And then this next one is a Siser Metal Red. Very cool. Look at that. You can see my light. And then this is the Siser Holographic Mystic Pearl. Just like it sounds. It's like my light is kind of throwing it off a little bit, but it's like a white. No, it's not. It's like it like picks up every color no matter where you angle it. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, so this is the Siser Holographic Mystic Pearl. Kind of cool. And then this one's not listed, but I'm pretty sure that this is just a black HTV that was in there. So kind of cool. So very exciting. Lots of things that I'm going to try and play with and look forward to some upcoming tutorials. And thanks again to my craft source for sending this stuff out to me to try and to play with and be able to show you guys what we can create together. Before we go, I did want to show you guys one last thing I got in the mail today. This is the second or third time I've ordered from this company, and I really like it, so I wanted to show it to you. So I found them on Facebook. They're called Craftsside Fillers. So look them up on Facebook. Here's her card, so you can kind of see. And basically what I use this for is just little gifts when I ship out, you know, shirts or some orders for my Etsy shop. So the way it works is I picked out earrings. So she'll just send you an assortment of earring colors, you know, purple and, you know, diamond looking ones, and black, and blue, like lots of different colors, a baby blue, and they all say thank you on them. And this package, I want to say each one of these are $1, but I kid you not, my customers get so excited over just, you know, just a little teeny pair of earrings. They get so excited for. So I wanted to share that with you. The other thing I got from them this time around was some little scents that you can stick in a, they smell so good too when I open this box. Closer to the bottom. So these are going to be like those little scents that you're going to put in like a little scentsy candle. So kind of fun to be able to throw something in, you know, your packages just to say an extra thank you. So yeah, if you're interested in them, check them out. I'm not getting a kickback. I just love to support small businesses. And this one is called Craftsside Fillers. And Carolyn is seriously the sweetest thing. I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this video have probably already ordered from her and can attest that she really is such a great, sweet person. And I've been very happy with all of the packages that I've received thus far. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have an amazing weekend and look forward to my next video where we're going to be bleaching indoors. We'll see how it works. So as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and the most important thing, don't forget to ring that bell so that you're going to get notified anytime that I upload a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later, friends.